Good morning everyone, it's Kate from Wild Tales Of. If you're new here on YouTube and on my blog wildtalesof.com, I share about family travel and outdoor adventure. So today's Saturday for us, and we hope that you are having a great Saturday whenever that was, and hope you're having a great day, morning, evening, whatever is happening for you right now. We have a big exciting day planned, at least we think so. Although the rain's trying to mess it up a little bit. But we're headed to brunch, actually breakfast really. It's not really brunch because it's about 8 o'clock. And then we are gonna go see Santa at the kids' dentist, and then we are going to head downtown. And so we thought we would take you along for the fun today.
Time to go see Santa.
Woo! Do you know what you're gonna ask him for?
Yep.
All right. Hey look, we found some fellow people who talk about their travels. Check them out, two dusty travelers. So before we head to see Santa, we're actually gonna pick up some food to donate, because part of Santa at the dentist is they do kind of a big food drive. So we are heading to the grocery store really quick to fill up a bag. Open this box, choose a wish card, write down your wish, put your completed wish card in the heart-shaped box. It will appear on the tree soon. That's nice. It says, put wishes in this heart-shaped box. The wishes will be laminated by our trusty team and hung on the tree in 1 to 3 days. That was a really neat thing. The special tree, a wish tree. If you live in Seattle, if you just happen to be watching this, it's on Marion Street between 32nd and 31st in Madrona. There he is, he's got his own tent. Get some hot chocolate. Good. Who's here besides Santa? Who's here besides Santa?
The dentist.
Besides the dentist.
Oh.
The news station.
Who?
News station.
Oh, are you gonna be on TV? Oh, it's not the news. What is it?
It's the Santa channel.
What's the Santa channel?
It's the Santa channel.
And you're going to be good, right? I will talk to the elves and I will tell them, okay? Should we make a picture? Would you both sit down facing the screen there? Good
Thank you,
work,
Santa.
everyone. And you know
Good to
what?
see you again.
Let me dig in here.
We missed you.
See what I can find. Somebody who's extra nice and wonderfully brilliant.
Hey, who's that?
Oh yeah, definitely Georgia.
Santa, give this one to someone who's growing up to be a wonderful, fine young man.
Woo!
Well, that sounds like you, doesn't it? Ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas,
Yeah,
Santa!
thank you.
Wow! What did Santa give you guys? What is in there?
You want this one?
Sure. Thank you.
That's nice, Bergen.
Wow.
You got cookies? What else?
I'll take this
Ooh,
one.
another kind of
Is that
cookie.
okay?
Yeah.
What else?
You want this one?
Sure. Thank you.
You want this one?
Which one do you want?
This one.
Okay. And you got a candy cane?
Yeah.
Wow. Was that fun, guys?
Fun time. A guy climbed that tree and stayed up there for 2 days.
Wow.
Or maybe even longer.
Might have been longer.
And he started hacking it up there.
Yep.
That big wheel has all those bright lights on it.
I sleep at night.
Keeps me up at night.
Okay, that's not you. What happened?
I was in the paper.
So
Somebody was
there's rants
complaining
every
that they
day
want
in the newspaper.
rants in the paper, rant and rave. And the rant, one of the rants was somebody that lives down here thinks that it's obnoxious.
These lights on the Great Wheel.
They have themes throughout the year. So sometimes if it's a Monday Night Football game, they're the colors of the Seahawks. Or at Christmas time, they're red, potentially. Or Easter, or on St. Patrick's Day, they're green. It's kind of a fun thing.
Yeah.
That was where the figgy pudding was last
Oh,
night.
right here in this truck?
Yeah.
What's figgy pudding? It's for those
It's the
who
number
don't-
one money raiser for the Pike Place Market.
What is it?
It's an amateur caroling competition.
Yeah. People get together, like people who work together, people who, like little clubs, organizations.
Yeah, little clubs.
So they all took turns. Wow.
Yeah, they all just took turns.
That's fun. So what
Spend
do you do?
$50
At the market.
And then
And-
come over here, fill this out, and you make it a market. Wrapped gift. Look at all this
So
stuff.
what?
We'll be back out here next Saturday too.
Oh, so it's like gift wrap.
Yeah, that's market gift wrap.
That's so fun.
It's cool.
And there's a bunch of different designs.
Yeah,
Cool.
they're right here.
Get balloon animals and face paint for free. Can we get a balloon animal?
Yeah?
Can you guys come forward?
Sure.
Will you open it up for me, please? Thank you. Will you open it up It's candy cane forward. Woo! There you go. You're welcome.
Love that.
So we've just been having a ton of fun exploring downtown. We did a lot of holiday shopping at the market, which hopefully you saw, and just had some happy hour at Skillet. And so we were in the South Lake Union area, and so we heard that there was a bunch of light installations, so we were going to check them out.
Coming down.
Here we go, Georgia. You ready for this?
Here we go.
She's loving it. Well, we unexpectedly got one more set of Christmas presents, and now we are gonna call it a night here from Seattle, downtown Seattle. And we thank you so much for joining us for our big day, our big Christmas celebration day. Hope you're doing really well and having your own fun festivities. Make sure to share what you are up to in the comments. And we hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave wild adventures, and we'll see you next time.
Make sure to give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.